Back here, Sticky Situations. What are we doing today? Well, we're here cleaning the barbecue grill. Our little Wiseman stainless steel cleaner and polish there. Used it before. I do a great job on the stainless steel. I have a Brillo pad. Scuff up any of the rust and little pits on the stainless steel. Rags here just to wipe it all off when I'm done. I'm also going to be using this garage door seal and replacing the seal here. My dog, oh cowboy, good boy, give him a treat. Is that good? Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this garage door here and place the seal on that. It's a little bit. All right, get started. Oh my. All right, here we go. We're back. Wyman stainless steel polish, apply polish. First step. Let's coat this whole baby. How about that? I'll get it all. How about that? Step 2, polish. See some rust there. Oh, yeah, I can see it coming up. It's coming right off. Look right there, you can see the rust. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right there's a good spot actually. That big gone. Look at that. No more. Freshly polished. There's another good spot. You see that? Gone. It'll be a brand new grill by the time we're done. Oh yeah. Here we go. See all the crap everywhere. That's it. Give you an update when we're finished up. Alright, we're back. I moved to a steel wool. Seems like it does a lot easier and faster job. You can see right there's a good spot. It shows up well on the camera. You just want to go the same direction with this. Right there's a good one. Brillo pad's actually doing a better job than the steel wool. It's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, Brillo pad wins. Brillo pad versus steel wool. Polishing stainless steel. This is a very coarse stainless steel. Maybe that has something to do with it. Number 3. But yeah, steel wool's buffing that way faster. It's insane. There you go. Look right there. Go steel wool first. Get this half. Doing nothing. Alright, let's go. Brillo pad. Gone. Yeah, Brillo pad's doing it. where it's at. Bam. There. Bam. There. Bam. Only one direction too, so you don't notice it. All one direction. Keep on going. That's it. Keep moving. We're back. Here's the finished product. No more rust there. There, a bunch. Bunch there, bunch there. All gone. Brand new.